Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through the manual installation of the UserWay widget on Moodle. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the UserWay homepage. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with this code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and it will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org, go to the top right menu, find My Embed script and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Moodle. I'm in the Moodle dashboard. Let's install the UserWay widget. On the left navigation menu, move your mouse and select Site Administration. In the resulting page, below the page title, you will see some tabs. Click on the Appearance tab. Then scroll down through the links in the Appearance section and select the additional HTML text link. In the resulting page, scroll down past the first few text fields until you find the Before Body is Closed text field. Paste your unique code in that field. Now, click on the Save Changes button below the text field. You're all set. At this point, if you'd like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.